Hello everyone, today is day 12 and I will teach to you useful sentences. So let's get started. So before I teach to you useful sentences, you need to know about pronouns. There are 5 types of pronouns like subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, and reflexive pronouns. I'm teaching these pronouns in level 2. So if you want to join level 2, you can after this course. But now these useful phrases based on subject pronouns, like such as subject pronouns are I'm with you, they, he, she, it. And then another thing you need to know is verb to be, verb to do, verb to have. So verb to be. In verb to be, as we already know, I miss our was were. So I miss her is present and was were is past. At the same time, verb to do that is present and did is past tense. Verb to have has is present and had is past. And will be fixed with I, something like that. Let me talk about useful phrases. Useful phrases, day 12. So these are speaking patterns and these are full sentences. So let me start with this one. So the first sentence is subject plus have has to plus verb 1. It is the same with I got there. I got there means တခုခုလုပ်ရမယ်ဆိုတဲ့ပုံစံမျိုး so we will be divided like have and has, so we will match have with I will you they, and then has with he she it. So for example, I have to go to school next week. Have to, I is subject and have to is here, and then plus verb 1. After 2, we need to follow verb 1. So here is verb 1 is go. So I have to go to school next week. And then another one is she has to sleep early. Why we add here has is he she it is subject. If it's not he she it is subject, we need to add have. So that is one we need to know. Here is translate. And then is there anything you have to do? If you have, you can answer yours. The second one is subject plus have something to plus verb 1. So the meaning is တခုခုလုပ်စရာရှိတယ်. For example, this is question and answer. Question is, do you want to go watch a movie? So we can use see and watch the same because we can use both see and watch because those are the same, but it will be difference in ရုပ်ရှင်ကြည့်ရတဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးဆိုရင်အိမ်မှာရေပြီးရုပ်ရှင်မှာကြည့်တာဆိုတာမျိုးနှစ်ခုရှိနိုင်တယ်ဆိုတော့အိမ်မှာကြည့်တယ်ဆိုရင် watch နဲ့သုံးမယ်တကယ်လို့ရုပ်ရှင်မှာကြည့်တယ်ဆိုရင် see ကိုသုံးမယ် and then the answer is I can't, I have something to do. So မလိုက်နိုင်ဘူးတစ်စုံတစ်ရာလုပ်စရာရှိတယ်ဆိုပြီးတော့ you can respond something like that. The third one is subject have has decided to verb 1. So it means တခုခုကိုဆုံးဖြတ်ပြီးပြီ decided means ဆုံးဖြတ်သည် So for example, I have decided to eat outside. ငါပြင်မှာသွားစားဖို့အတွက်ဆုံးဖြတ်ပြီးပြီ and then he has decided to cut her hair. သူမစပင်ညှပ်ဖို့ဆုံးဖြတ်လိုက်ပြီ So we need to remind this one have has decided to. If the pronouns are I, we, you, they, we need to add have, and then if the pronouns are he, she, it, we need to add has. Here is I, so we can add have. This is a contraction of have. And then this is she, so that is why we add has. So next one is subject plus verb to be plus good at plus scale. Good at and bad at. These are opposite. So this is good at ဆိုတာကျွမ်းကျင်တယ် bad at ဆိုတာကမကျွမ်းကျင်ဘူးဆိုတာနဲ့ပတ်သက်ပြီးပြောတယ် so ကျွမ်းကျင်တယ် which one are you good at အဲ့လိုမေးမယ် which one are you good at လို့မေးလာမယ်ဆိုရင် I am good at teaching စာသင်ရတာကျွမ်းကျင်တယ် they are good at playing football playing ဘောလုံးကစားတာကျွမ်းကျင်တယ် and then bad at she is bad at cooking ဟင်းချက်ရတာမကျွမ်းကျင်ဘူးဆိုပြီးပြောလို့ရတယ် so here is overall 5 sentences. So you need to remind these 5 sentences because I will ask you in final exam. So let me move another page. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is 6 sentences. So let's get started. The first one is subject verb to be plus interested in something or someone. တစ်စုံတစ်ခုကိုစိတ်ဝင်စားတယ်ဆိုရင် interested in maybe interested in something or another one is someone. For example, I am interested in opening school. ကျောင်းသစ်ဖွင့်ဖို့အတွက်စိတ်ဝင်စားတယ်. June is interested in English lesson. English သင်ခန်းစာတွေကိုစိတ်ဝင်စားတယ်. And another word for someone is June is interested in Mary. June က Mary ကိုစိတ်ဝင်စားတယ်. We can say something like that. Another one is subject verb to be plus here to plus verb 1. Verb to be. Verb to be means I miss our was where. But here is maybe I miss her. So တခုခုလုပ်ဖို့လာတာပါ. And then here is subject verb to be plus here for something. တခုခုအတွက်လာတာပါ. So it may be changed here. The first one is to and the second one is for. And then here is verb 1 and something. This will be changed. So for example, here for this one is she is here to study accounting. Here is here to study. Study is verb 1 and then accounting is something object. So she is here to study accounting. Accounting လေ့လာဖို့အတွက်ဒီမှာရောက်နေတာပါ. And then I'm here for breakfast. For plus something means breakfast is included in things. So things ဆိုတာအရာဝတ္ထုပေါ့နော်. အရာဝတ္ထုဆိုတာကမျိုးလူမဟုတ်ဘူးသက်ရှိမဟုတ်ဘူးသက်မှတ်ဖြစ်တယ်ဆိုတဲ့ပုံစံမျိုးကြောင့် something မှာ breakfast ကိုပြောလို့ရတယ်. Breakfast စားဖို့အတွက်လာတာပါ. And then subject verb to be plus about to plus verb 1. တခုခုလုပ်တော့မလို့ about to. I'm about to study to library. Library မှာစသွားလေ့လာတော့မလို့. Subject verb to be past plus just about to plus verb 1. Verb to be past means was were. Because MSR is present tense. So here past is was were, maybe was were. So I'm here is I'm. That is why we need to follow was. So I was just about to visit to you. Means ငါလာလေဖြစ်တော့မယ်လာလေတော့မလို့အဲ့လိုပုံစံမျိုး. So subject verb to be plus busy verb ing တခုခုလုပ်နေလို့မအားသေးဘူး. For example, I am busy studying for the exam.ဒီစာမေးပွဲအတွက်လေ့လာနေတယ်. အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်မအားသေးဘူးဆိုတဲ့ပုံစံမျိုးပြောလို့ရတယ်. I am busy studying for the exam. Here is verb ing, so you can add whatever. For example, studying or eating, walking, something like that. And then here is subject plus verb to be plus not used to verb ing. တခုခုလုပ်နေကြမဟုတ်ဘူး. And then here is subject plus verb to be plus used to plus verb ing. တခုခုကိုလုပ်နေကြဖြစ်နေပြီ. They are opposite and not the same because here is included in not. So for example, I'm not used to cleaning my room. I'm not used to cleaning my room. အခန်းကိုတန့်ရှင်းလုပ်နေကြမဟုတ်ဘူး. And then they are used to going school late. သူတို့ကကျောင်းကိုနောက်ကျနေကြဖြစ်တယ်. အဲ့လိုပုံစံမျိုးပြောချင်တာဖြစ်တယ်. Today's lesson is useful phrases and those are very useful for our daily conversation. And then we also need to know these pronouns and verb to be, verb to do, verb to have, and also modal verb. It is not written in here. So you need to remind those. So that's all for today and see you in the next lesson. If you have any question, you can ask me whenever. So thank you.